In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay off Affirm early. 22.5, step by step. Paying off an Affirm loan ahead of schedule is simple, and it can help you reduce interest on eligible loans and wrap up your balance sooner. There are no prepayment penalties, so you won't be charged extra for paying early. You can do everything either on affirm.ca or in the Affirm app, whichever you prefer. Start by opening the website or app and signing into your Affirm account. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you're using the same login you originally used for the loan. Once you're in, head to the loans section. This is where all your active and past loans live. Select the loan you want to pay down early so you're looking at its details, including the current balance and any upcoming scheduled payments. Next, choose Pay. This takes you to the payment flow. Here, you'll decide how much you want to pay and when you want to pay it. You can enter the full remaining balance if you're closing it out today, or choose a custom amount if you're making an extra payment. If you'd rather schedule it, pick a future date that works for you. Keep in mind that paying sooner can reduce interest on loans that charge it, and scheduling helps you avoid missing a day. Now add or select your payment method. You can use a saved bank account or card or add a new one. Double check that the account has enough funds and that the billing details are correct to prevent declines. When everything looks right, click Continue. You'll see a review screen. Take a moment to confirm, then the payment amount, the payment method, and the date. If you have autopay turned on, note how this early payment fits with your upcoming schedule so you don't accidentally duplicate a payment. Affirm doesn't charge late fees or prepayment penalties, but it's always smart to review before you finalize. When you're ready, click Submit Payment. Wait for the confirmation message and keep an eye out for a confirmation email or in-app receipt. If you scheduled the payment, you'll see it shown as upcoming. If you paid now, your balance should update shortly. Bank transfers can take a little time to fully clear, so don't worry if the status doesn't change instantly. That's it. By using the pay option from the loan section, choosing your amount and date, confirming your method, and submitting, you can pay off Affirm early with confidence. Repeat the same process for any other loans you want to tackle and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with getting ahead.